Hi friends, it's Miss Heather. I have a new storybook to read to you, and this one is from the book The Five Little Monkeys that I've read to a bunch of you, except this one is called The Storybook Treasury. If you look on the back, there's all different ones. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, 5 little monkeys bake a birthday cake, 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree, 5 little monkeys with nothing to do, and 5 little monkeys wash the car. So today, I have a special request. Somebody asked me to read one of your favorites, 5 Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. I know a bunch of you have this book, so if you want to pause the video and go get it, you can read it with me, okay? It was bedtime, so 5 little monkeys took a bath. Five little monkeys put on their pajamas, and 5 little monkeys brushed their teeth. Five little monkeys said good night to their mama. Then 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Uh-oh. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Oh, poor thing. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many are left? 1, 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Good. They all have band-aids on their heads. How many are left? 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now look at, they all have band-aids. So 5 little monkeys fell fast asleep. Thank goodness, said the mama. Now I can go to bed. What is that mom doing? Is she jumping on the bed? Silly mom. The end. I hope you like the story. I miss everybody. I have a little friend to show you. This is my friend Buster. Buster, are you being shy? Look. Want to say hi to everybody? Busty, say hi. Oh, he just wants me to pet him. I hope everybody has a good day. I'll see you soon.